All right, well, good morning all. Welcome to the new faytech Central. Since our last video where we introduced our industrial HMI solution, we've been hard at work coming up with new products, new gadgets, new gizmos. We've also moved. So what's very exciting for us, we have our new digs here. We've moved probably about 20 minutes down the road from where we used to be for our office. And we've also inaugurated our new optical bonding center out in Huizhou. If any of you happen to come to the neighborhood now that China's open post-COVID, problems no more, we welcome you. We welcome you to come to the office. We welcome you to the optical bonding facility. And we would be open to any interesting discussions that we may have. So, as the saying goes, when life gives you lemons, you should make a lemonade. And with that in mind today, we have our lemon-themed introduction to our 48.5-inch digital display monitors. And with no further ado, he needs no introduction. He is our chief technical guru, as I like to say, Arne Weber. Good morning, Arne.
Hey, Michael.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, for sure. Seriously, our new office is great, directly to the metro station, nice places to eat. So
the restaurants are a big upgrade, I have to say.
It's now really time to get the talents here who before didn't want to work in an industrial area. So we have now an office, and I have first time ever my own room. Oh my God! And for sure in Huizhou we have our optical bonding facility, and I think also it's a good time to visit us and see our progress. We have nothing to do with the company we were 3 years ago, I would say. And this is a very nice product, the 48.5-inch. It's a third cut. To be frank, we took a little bit time to do it because it's a little bit crazy from technical point of view. You cut something away and the price is higher. But why? Because in the supermarket there's limited space, and so this one is especially for the point of sale, for the retails, for the buses, metro stations, where you have a limited width or height for installation. And so this is quite popular that you called it third cut. There's also half cut, so that means we have a third resolution on the vertical, just 360. And this is really important, this is not cut.
This is the point. I was going to get to this point. So what I've been learning as I've gotten into the industry over the last year or so is that when you get into these special, I would say odd sizes, non-standard sizes, so away from the 43, 55, 75, 86 inch that we normally handle for monitors, we have something like this. So what are the warnings? What would you advise people to be on the lookout for when they're shopping for a product like this, when they need something like this?
So that's really, it's very popular in China, sorry to say so, that people take displays with display folds, things, and then they cut it, and you don't want to see the cutting situations.
So they literally take like a 55-inch and then somebody somewhere cuts it. Exactly. In a non-clean environment.
Exactly.
What happens when what will happen later on when the product goes into the field?
For sure you face a lot of quality issues. It's the sealing is not right. It can pop open. You have bleeding issues. For sure the temperature issues are not so well. So long story short, we have here an original AUO cell which is directly coming out of the AUO factory in this size. It's a little bit more expensive, but believe me, you want to have this extra quality and security. And this is the first topic. Go with the quality on so-called cut solutions, otherwise you will have issues over time.
And you don't want to save a penny today to end up spending $1 tomorrow. And also incurring the wrath of your customers and the embarrassment of poor results later on down the road.
Yeah. So what we did here is it's for a large supermarket chain, where we built this up for their cupboards to show
in-store displays. Right. So this is done. This unit is actually being displayed on in the United States in a major retail location, which we're not allowed to disclose because at faytech we always honor our NDAs and protect our customers.
Sure.
It's basic practice. at least for us. But this is going into a four-sided display, and today we're showing the product horizontally, but actually, and I think later on we'll show vertically, the product also goes vertically. You can orientate the display the way that you want, and so in the US right now, it's a four-sided display with the units mounted vertically. Also in the back, we have customized options for mounting, depending on what you do.
Yes? Let's look on the back later. For sure, first what I want to say, and everybody realizes it, it's optical bonded, and so the picture quality is fantastic. You have less reflections, for sure. That's important, that it has quite some stability, and for sure we can customize further to have it even IK08. This is now an IK07 used for indoor usage. We can do it with 500 nits like you see here. For sure we have the option with 1000 nits, also then up to 100,000 hours lifetime. That's for sure where it's our strength, faytech, that we are really customizable and that we can easily do it exactly following your demands, because we have such a vertical production in our Shenzhen
as well. This glass is physically tempered as opposed to chemically tempered. And I believe the front side of the casing is an IP65 rating as well. So all kinds of use scenarios, 500 nits for indoor. We could go up to, I don't know, 1,000 nits, 2,000 nits if needed. It depends on your requirements. Just let us know.
It's right. So for indoor, when you want to really shine out of the competitors, 1,000 nits is very nice. More you don't need. We have it also for a taxi top now in preparation, where you go up to 2,500 nits. And that's it. For sure, the installation is super easy. We have 3 VESA 75 as a standard fixation method. And besides this, we have the additional fixation for the...
Yeah, this is customized out at 35 by 18 centimeters for the actual use of the customer. But this could be modified if needed, I would believe. This is something that's not too difficult for us to do, as well as the connectors. So I think Arne will take us through our standard connectors.
I wanted to let you do it, but
it's okay. That's fine.
So,
I can go ahead.
Let's for sure. I mean, you have all the connections and abilities you want. So it's now connected HDMI, DP, VGA. You have also the audio out, that when you want to put stronger loudspeakers in, that sometimes on the point of sale interesting. We have a small OSD button that you can set it up the way you want it. For sure, it's on the back, that nobody can just change it by chance. What I want to say is what's really nice, we have the special cable channels. That means you can install it and have all the cables going
right
to
here.
The back. But you can also
put the cable here.
It's
nice and flush. It's specially designed, so it's flush.
Yep. And this is one extra important thing. We really do the things modularized. We have a power supply which is UL certified. This is especially for the US important, but when it goes to Japan, then you need one with PSE. And so we have the power supply external, that it can be easily optimized for the country you're using it. We're a global company providing local solutions, and that's what we did here.
Well, I think that we've done a bang-up job, I think, of introducing the product. Hopefully this video has been instructive for you. If you have any interest in this product or anything else, please feel free to drop us a line. I'm sure we're posting our contact details below. Please like, subscribe, press the button, do whatever you need to do socially so that we can get more followers. And thank you. Bye-bye.